Here we go. Let me show you what's. I kind of get all caught up in the Twitter stuff and putting this weathercast together with Kyle. So 31 right now in Dallas. It feels like 21. That's your wind chill. There's our Fort Worth tower cam. I looked at that tower cam about 4:30 this morning, and it had ice on it. It still does, and that's not going away. So that's your freezing drizzle, and that's what we're seeing on a lot of pictures that you guys have been sending me. So we're going to get some of those on too, and here in a few minutes. But it's 28 degrees in Fort Worth. It feels like 17. That's your wind chill. The next stop is at DFW. De-icing is taking place. So there's going to be some delays at DFW where it's 18 degrees. There's going to be some delays at Love Field as well, if there aren't already, because they are de-icing. Of course, that takes some extra time. It's 31 right now at Love Field. It feels like 21 degrees. And then the next and last stop is at Dallas Baptist, where it's 30. It feels like 20. So it's certainly a cold day all across North Texas. And I mentioned this a couple of times. The temperature right now at DFW is 30. That's our high for the day. Well, the high is probably the 35 or 36 just after midnight, but right now it won't be any warmer than it is right now. It will only get colder. That's why we have the winter weather advisory in place, because with the temperatures already below freezing, all of these areas that are shaded in purple, including the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area, it won't get any warmer, so it will only get colder, and that means that the precip that's falling from the sky will cause additional problems. That's some light accumulations of snow, and that's also some icy bridges and overpasses. 10 o'clock. It's 8:46 right now. That's the way the radar will look. I love this computer model. It's really depicting extremely well what is taking place right now, and I do believe what will take place as we move through the day. 10 o'clock, that's light snow and freezing drizzle mixed in with that light snow. At noon today, or 11 o'clock, it's still around. Dallas-Fort Worth, it's sinking to the south. At noon today, we're starting to dry out Dallas-Fort Worth. It's dry up along the Red River, but Johnson and Ellis counties, areas to the south, Navarre County, Hill County, Hood County, Erath County, you'll see additional snow flurries and snow showers at noon. By 2 o'clock, everything is out of Dallas-Fort Worth and then to the north, but look what's taking place to the south. That's snow showers and snow flurries. By 4 p.m., it's starting to wind down south of Dallas and Fort Worth, and certainly by 6 p.m., it has come to an end. So what will it look like when Ice-mageddon and Snow-mageddon ends? Well, icy roads are likely for these areas that I've shaded in blue. You've also have the potential of seeing a dusting, a quarter, a half an inch, maybe up to an inch of snow in these areas north of Dallas and Fort Worth. The Dallas-Fort Worth area, icy roadways are likely, a dusting, a covering, a coating of snow on some of the elevated surfaces, some cars, some rooftops. We've seen it already in parts of Denton County and Collin County. That potential does exist in Dallas and Fort Worth, but I'm concerned about bridges and overpasses icing. To the south of Fort Worth and Dallas, maybe some flurries and some icy bridges and overpasses. And then at midnight tonight, these are your temperatures at midnight. Check that out. I mean, we're looking at, these are the air temperatures in the teens, except for Terrell and Lancaster and Waxahachie, Arlington, Burleson, all right around 20, 21 degrees. Wind chills will be in the single digits tonight. It will be a cold night. Cold at midnight when you're ringing in the new year. So our high temperature today has happened right now at 30. We dropped to middle 20s by 6 p.m. 30–40% of us will continue to see this freezing drizzle and the snow flurries and the snow showers. We'll hit 17 tomorrow. That's tonight's low. 17 is tonight's low. Wind chills tonight in the single digits. There's the next 10 days. A foggy, freezing drizzle tower cam behind that. 28 on Monday, a cold start to the new year. 30 on Tuesday. We'll finally make it, Lauren, above freezing late Wednesday morning. We'll be at or below freezing for about 60 hours, 58, 60 hours or so, when we'll finally warm up above freezing late Wednesday morning. Thursday, 41, 45 on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we warm back into the 50s and 60s, and this cold snap lasts now right through most of next week. Next weekend and all of next week look better, but have to get through a cold one and problems on the roads right